to ask you. Mama, forgive me. I am sorry. I am here to ask for your forgiveness, Mama. Mama, I have sinned against you. Mama, I am sorry. Mama, I am sorry. Forgive me. Mama, I'm sorry. Mama, I have offended. Mama, I have wronged you. Mama, be comforted. Mama, where have we gone? Mama. Where have we gone? Where have we
I knew she had stopped her involvement with Neka, but I wouldn't know why she's crying.
When I saw her, I wanted to stop her, but on a second thought, I decided to let her be.
You did well for allowing her finish what she was doing. I mean, the worst has happened already. I believe anything that would have happened now wouldn't have been greater than the one that has happened. So allow anyone to be. You don't know what is disturbing them.
Very right. Let's go. I want to go and buy something.
Where is your slippers?
I don't want to wear those. Let's go now.
Ujunwa.
I gave birth to 3 amazing children.
Hey Mama, tell us a story about the tortoise and its 7 wives.
Mama, you promised to tell us how you met and married Papa.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you know what will happen now?
Now what?
This evening, I'll tell you people about the tortoise and its 7 wives. Then, tomorrow evening, I'll tell you how I met and married. Settled? But before that, you people will have to go and finish doing what I asked you to do. You, I told you to dress and sweep your daddy's room. And that container at the backyard, I asked you to fill it up with water. You, I told you to go. And none of you have done what I asked you.
Mama, the story can wait. Me, I'm very hungry. I think I should go and eat the remaining food in the pot.
Woman, dear.
Only, is it your food?
Every time your phone is food. Okay, you want to eat, right? Have you finished eating? I'm not even started.
Woman, dear.
Please go and cook.
It's not only me that will cook.
Woman,
But you want to eat.
Yeah, Mama. Tell us the story. I know you will explain us.
Go and dress your daddy's room.
Hey.
Go and fill the water.
Huh?
What do you mean, eh? Have you filled the container? You have not. Go!
That food, if they are done, just tell me. I know what.
Thank you, I'm very. I want me to tell you a story like this time.
You're looking beautiful this morning, no?
Thank you very much. I'm looking beautiful this morning, or as always. Which one do you know?
Today's one is special.
You can say that again.
You said you need money to buy more foodstuffs, right?
Yes, I needed money to refill our foodstuffs. You know, it's better to buy them in bulk than buying them one. We save money through that way.
Like, how much are we talking about?
I think 10,000 will do.
Mama, Orphan is dying.
Orphan?
What happened to him?
I don't know, he's at the backyard. Let's go. The backyard. Orphan, what is it? Orphan!
Woman, excuse me. Orphan! Orphan, please open your eyes.
Orphan!
No, this can't be happening. Orphan!
I really missed him.
We all miss him. Please don't remind me of him. No, boy. They're just trying to reopen an old wound.
Mama! Chibuzo, what is it? What?
Your tummy. What is up?
Chibuzo, what? Mama?
Help her.
Mama, Chibuzo.
Chibuzo, what is it?
Chibuzo, wake up.
Please,
Chibuzo, you're my only sister. Chibuzo, wake up.
Go and call your father. Let's take her to hospital. Nne, please open your eyes. What is it? What is the problem? Chibuzo, Biko, no. Talk to your mother. Nne. Hey, run! Run quick! Hey!
Mama, I don't want to die. I want to live long and make you proud. I want to wipe away your past tears.
My God will not forsake me. My God will not allow me to be put to shame. When you want, nothing will happen to you. My God will protect you. You will live to the fullness of your age.
God, I still can't believe why my 2 children left me in less than 2 weeks. Oh God. Oye! Oye!
Save me!
What?
Oye! Oye!
Save me!
Oye! Oye!
I don't.
Oye! Speak! Oye!
Onye, no, don't joke now.
What is it?
Is this a play?
Oye!
Onye, open your eyes. Talk to your mother. This cannot be.
Oye! Hey!
Chima! Hey! Chima Julanumo! Onye mabanya gi. Onye nwamo. Nwamo bugo Chima ye ka mejora. Chima Julame! Onye ka mejora. Hey! Chima obi ka Julam. Chima rapulamo. Safumuro. Akumuro ya joni shupo. Hey! Okasi weje Chima. Onye nwamo. Hey! My husband.
It was as if I am living in hell on earth. People called and labeled me a witch. They said I killed my own children.
They said I poisoned my husband for him not to chase me away from his house. They throw stones at me. People throw stones at me whenever they see me. They later banished me. That was why I am living all alone in this forest. I have tried many times to kill myself. I don't know how I managed to survive them all.
Okay, Mama. I understand and feel your... This life...
You don't understand. When I first saw you, I imagined you being my daughter. You made me smile. You made me laugh. You made me forget my past, my sorrows, my pains. But seeing you in this condition, seeing you heartbroken, brings my past back to me. You are too young to go through all this. You are too young to lose your parents.
But what have I done? What have I done? Mama, I'm innocent. Even God knows I'm innocent.
You did nothing wrong, my daughter. I don't know what to tell you, but I want to reassure you that you are not alone.
What have I done? What have I done? What have I done to deserve this, God? God, why have you forsaken me? Why have you forsaken me, God? You've taken everything away from me. Can you help me? Mama, I'm so broken. I'm so broken. I'm so broken, Mama. Mama, I didn't kill anyone. God knows I'm innocent. My God! God! Why me? Why me? Why me? God.
You know they take up. Okay, then we're somewhere. Any nonsense thing, she know they take up. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My corner lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My corner lawyer for. She is bold enough. On it.
Are you okay? Or in Apple make Which of them? Eh?
Seriously, you look awful.
Please, oh, where is your sister? Your strong sister that used to parade herself in this village like the strongest woman in the whole world. Where is she? Is she still on the run? Okay, no, so on our wow, this sister boy, let's slap you, eh? I want you, eh?
Just let me be. I don't have strength.
Oh, this one pain me. You don't have strength, my dear. Are you hungry? I can only go there. You don't know when I go there now. I'll go there now.
Hey! Now, what is all this hula baloo? What is the hula baloo about? Now, what has this young, innocent girl done to you vampires that you seek to suck her blood? Now, before I close my eyes and open it, vituperate.
Hey, stop making noise, this man. See, let me tell you, it's not like we're afraid of you. But this one said, there is no blood for you. There is no blood. Eh? You need to tell your late mother.
Keep moving.
Nonsense. Let's go.
What atrocity? What compound atrocity? Are you sure you did not do anything to them?
I swear, I did not do anything to them. Okay, the other day, they came here and started mocking me. I just want to kill myself.
No, do not say that anymore. Because if you kill yourself, that is tantamount to suicide. Anonya bulonya, bulobong. My dear, do not ever think about that. Now, for a long while, I've been trying to persuade you to come and stay with us. There is plenty of space for you there.
I don't want to go. I cannot leave my mother here. I want to stay with her.
I have to get you away from those miscreants, those incompetent Mayis, those never-do-wells, those uneducated fallacies. Now, I don't ever want you to think about suicide. That is a wrong option to take. Do you understand? Do you understand? Now let us go in, okay? I will be there for you. Igwe, I am highly perturbed and extremely disenfranchised. Igwe, I have a complaint.
Prof, please, I'm all ears, but I beg you, make it plain. Do not confuse me with your big grammars.
Right. I will try to digress as much as possible.
Thank you.
Igwe, it is about Nneka and her friends. They're totally traumatizing and disenfranchising my little niece, Ujunwa.
I still can't understand.
Earlier today, I was going to check on my niece, Ujunwa. I decided to go through the Ukwaji path. Lo and behold, I sighted these nincompoops harassing, brutalizing, and traumatizing my little niece. In fact, she was crying. It was appalling. Igwe, this is highly unacceptable. Highly unacceptable.
If that is true, it is equally unacceptable by me. All the same, I tender apology, a sincere apology on their behalf, and I will also talk to them.
Okay, but please, you must wade into this matter. Because if such truancy occurs again, I will be forced to take actions in my own way.
It will not get to that. I promise you.
Okay. I think I can trust you with judgment. Kudos.
Exactly.
Kudos. I beg to take my leave. I have some reading to do.
Prof. Hey, these children complain here and there. What can one do?
Oh! Look who we have here! Felicia! Anyone come?
So, you both have succeeded in killing that poor innocent woman.
Huh? Succeeded in killing?
Oh, please just stop it. I hate when people try to pretend. Glenda, how could you? Why will you continue to allow yourself to be used by that devilish girl? Just because you want to accomplish her evil mission?
No, Felicia, there are things I don't think. Yes! You can't come into my father's house to shout at me, to call me names. Are you mad or something? Listen and listen very carefully. If you don't want me to lose it or do something stupid, leave this place now. That's why you leave.
Oh, did you just ask me to leave your father's house?
Is this your house? No, I'm asking you, begging, get out. Leave, please, before I do something stupid.
I will leave. Oh, yes, I will. But we shall see. Belinda, we shall see. Until then.
Because when you play around, you can make me fair. I'm not big or I'm not big or never look if I melody. You can make me fair. I'm not big or I'm not big or never look if I melody. You can make me fair. I'm not big or
I'm sure Felicia is up to something. I need to go and see Nate as first of all.
So, why did you bring me here?
Ejike, you need my help.
I need your help. How?
I can help your friend come out from that prison.
You can help my friend come out from prison. As what now? As native doctor now? You want me to start getting scared of you? Listen, if you want to talk rubbish, don't involve my friend Udo again. In fact, get out. Leave. Come on, get out. Get out.
I have some information that can help him come out, if only you will give me listening ears. I have some important information that you will need. Yes. Yes.
Oh yeah, what is it? Tell me.
It all started some months back.
Something just hit my head now. Oh, they might be. Yes. I have a plan, eh? I want you to go and look for a very heavy man that is working with you. Remember the plan now. Remember, when you get him, take him to a gym right. The moment you get there, calm down. Why? The world has ears. Yes, just calm down, whisper to me. Necky! Necky, calm down. They go hear her.
Let's go, Biko. Please, this guy. Okay. Hey! Okay, you just killed him. Eh? You just killed this young man now. Are you mad? Not opportunistic. But you know the one that hit him with this thing. See. If you have killed him, accept that you're a murderer. Don't call my name. Don't call my name. In fact, I'm leaving. Okay, then come back here. You just killed him. Let me just go. Okay, then I'll go to the quarter. I'll come to the quarter. Okay, you just killed him. Hey, okay, now come back here. Come back here now. Come. Who is around? Come and see. Okay, just killed him. Okay, has killed him. Okay, has killed him. People come. Hey, okay, you will come back home. The village will look for you. Somebody come and help. Come and see. Okay, has killed him. Hey, people come and see what okay has done. She just killed someone. Okay, now. Hey! Okay, now. Hey, people come and see what Ogene did, though. She just killed him.
So Ogene did not kill anyone. Rather, Nneka did. Ejike, this is why you need my help. So you can bring out justice.
This information is very vital.
Yes.
But why didn't you say this since? Ogene's mother wouldn't have died. Even my friend Udo wouldn't have gone to prison.
Ejike, please, I am sorry. I was afraid of Nneka. That girl is evil.
Alright, please. You have to make this secret. Because those girls, they can deny you. I am sure of that.
Not to worry. I have all the evidences here. Look at this. See?
Beautiful, beautiful. I love this. Come with me.
Belinda, this is why your face is like this. Come and sit down.
No.
I have to come.
I don't want to sit at all. I think they are serious. Something is wrong somewhere. There is a problem.
Problem what? Come and sit down.
Felicia is back. And she came to my house and was saying all sorts of rubbish that I can't even fix. Like I don't know. Like I don't even understand what she was saying.
What and what does she say? What rubbish does she say this time?
She said we killed Mama. That we don't have conscience.
Is that all she said?
Listen, Nneka. I think this girl knows something. Yes. I'm suspecting something. She knows something. Maybe she knows our plan or something. I don't know. But I'm just saying.
Don't worry. You don't have to be scared. You don't have to be scared at all. Because I did not tell her anything. Or? Did you tell her what?
No way. Why would I do such a thing? Well, I just came to let you know because I was troubled. I'll be on my way now. I was busy at home. Okay?
Please, can't you forgive?
Ujunwa. Ujunwa, why did you leave me, Mama? Huh? Mama, you will come and take me. No, Juma, no. Please stop crying. You have to stop crying. Because I know Mama is gone already. I don't want to lose you, Juma. Please. Please, I'm begging you. Stop crying. You have to. Or do you also want me to die? If you don't want me to die, then cheer up. If you're like this, definitely I am going to be like this also.
Please, can't you forgive?
Neka! 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 Search everywhere, search our well.
Because when you play around, you get me fair. I'm not big or I'm not big or never look if I melody. You get me fair. I'm not big or never look if I melody. You get me fair. I'm not big or please, can't you forgive? You get me fair. I'm not big or you get me fair. I'm not big or never look if I melody. You get me fair. I'm not big or never look if I melody.
We knew you were innocent. Okay, now. Welcome home. Stop crying. My dear friend, stop crying. I'm so happy that you are home. At least God has proven to be God.
Yes.
It's okay.
God has proven to be God. But where is my mother? Where is my mother?
God knows why.
Why would God wait for
Why would God wait till now before proving my innocence? Where is my mother? I am not sure now offers for something I did not do. God, what is my crime? God, what is my crime? God, what is my crime? Will this judgment bring my mother back? Will this God, what have I done? Why is my life miserable, God? What is my life miserable? I fight for people. I fight for people, God. You should have fought for me. You should have fought for me before my mother died. God, why? God, why? God, why? God, why? Can I imagine? My mother is dead, no. I was saying that I'm innocent. Nobody believed me.
We believed you.
God,
I believed you.
God, why me? God, why me? God, why me? What am I living for? Why me?
Don't cry. God has already fought the battle for you.
Exactly.
Welcome.
Hey!
What? Where did you get this?
I saw her. Decided to record her so we can have proof.
Hey. Listen. Yes, of course. So Ogene has been innocent all this while. And we are treating her like a common criminal. Hey. How wicked can people be? What is it?
You need to see what I just saw now.
What did you see?
I saw Ogene and Odo right in this village.
So, is that why you are running? Like somebody who is being pursued by thieves?
Igwe, I thought you were looking for her.
Yes, I was looking for her. But right now, everybody is looking for you.
Yes.
Neka. So Neka, you killed somebody and made it look as if it was Ogene that killed him. Eh? We are here thinking that Ogene was guilty. We treated her like a common criminal, abused her and humiliated her, not knowing that she was innocent. How wicked can you be, Neka? Eh? Hold on. Like they say, every day is for the thief, but one day is for the owner of the house. Neka, your wickedness has finally caught up with you. And I have every reason to believe that this is your end.
Igwe, I can see you are in a bad mood. Huh? I'll go and come back later.
Officers, arrest her immediately.
Young lady, you have every right to remain silent. For whatever you say or do will be used against you in court of law. Move. Move it.
Even you?
Yes, even me. I saw you, Neka. Neka, I saw you. I was there recording you. I saw everything. See, I have evidence.
Please, let's go. Let's go. Don't discuss. Don't go.
Neka, your wickedness has caught up with you. You are going to rot in jail. You will rot in jail, Neka.
It's okay, young lady. Please.
Take her away.
It's Satan.
Yes,
Take her
we know.
away.
Please,
move.
have mercy.
Move.
Take her away.
Any nonsense thing, she not dey take her.
People can pretend. How wicked can people be? Eh? So this kind of thing has been happening in this community. That everybody knows. It's okay. It's good that the truth finally came out. Now you people can.
She hates injustice. My corner lawyer for. She is bold enough. On with the bandila. Just because she's bold enough. On with the dealer.
Thank you for helping my friend. I really don't know how to pay you back.
DK, it is supposed to be the other way around. Yes, I am supposed to be the one here saying thank you. Thank you for listening to me. DK, I don't know if this is right to say, but I wish to pay Ogene a visit this evening. But I am scared. I don't know if she will accept me back.
No, you have nothing to worry about. Definitely, she will accept you.
Are you sure?
I'm sure of that. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Udo, very soon, the woman in the bush are going to name you.
Any nonsense thing, she not a beggar. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My corner lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My corner lawyer for. She is bold enough. On with the bandila. Just because she's bold enough. On with the dealer. God is with you. But be careful. God is with you. But be careful. God is with you. But be careful. God is with you. But be careful.
Welcome, Mama. Welcome. Thank you so much once again. I brought you here so I can introduce you to my family. This is my only sister, Ojoma. This is my friend, my best friend, Ejiki. And Odo here is my friend, my lover.
Hey, Mama.
Mama, thank you.
Hey.
Mama,
Namaka.
I am sorry for all the pains you've been through.
Oh.
All these years I've been looking for who to call mother. But not knowing that my mother is living in the forest.
Yeah. Or the bush.
I don't understand.
Mama, please don't mind him. Udo, what is wrong with you? What has come over you?
I don't know.
It's my mother.
Eh?
A first twin brother.
Eh?
You know this all this while and you never looked for her. Why?
Did you say Ofo?
Yes, Mom.
It cannot be. It cannot. Our son's twin died same day I gave birth to him. You are not my son.
No, Mama. Udoka, the midwife in this village, took me away immediately I was born and gave me to the great hunter of this village, whose the wife left him because he couldn't pregnant the wife.
Are you serious?
Oh yeah, man. It's a small world, though.
I still can't believe that the popular witch that is living in the forest is my mother. The woman I hated so much. The woman I even stoned. Hey, this is unbelievable.
Hi.
I'm sorry that I kept this from you. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm sorry.
Hey! My son.
My son.
Yes, ma'am.
My son.
I am your son.
Hey. Hey, God, thank you. So I have a son all this while. I can now smile again. My son.
Mama.
Come to your mother.
Mama, please don't cry. Thank God it ended with truth. I'm missing watching.
My son.
Inside and outside, she hates injustice. My corner lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My corner lawyer for. Any nonsense thing, she not the taker. Any nonsense thing, she not the taker. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My corner lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My corner lawyer for. She is bold enough. On with the bandila. Just because she's bold enough. On with the dealer. Okay, God is